Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm out here on the Honda Trail 125 today, and if you notice, I have installed a windshield. Thought I'd try this out, and basically I wanted it to, hopefully it will reduce some of the wind drag off of the wind hitting me, because the bike, ain't got a lot of power anyway, so anything you can do to help hopefully will make a difference. So I put this little windshield on there. It's really nice. You can actually get this in clear lens or black, or this is the smoked, light smoked, I think it's called. So it comes, this bracket, you can see how it's made here. These arms go over and then bolt on here where your normal bracket goes. But it fits actually pretty good. Now, these was a little bit spread apart when I put it on, so I had to put one on and then just push this one in so I could line the bolts up. No problem. Also give me a good place to mount my GPS. I had it mounted here, but it's pretty low. This way my GPS can be mounted out here. I think it'll be a lot better. So basically I just want to see if this thing is going to help, like I said, with the wind drag. I mean, it actually looks pretty good. It don't look as crazy as a lot of windshields does on things when you put them on, but this actually don't look bad. I think it looks great. So, pretty cool. We're going to try it out. I haven't rode it yet, but we're fixing to. So let's take this thing and try it out. Like I said, it's not going to be a thing that blocks most of the wind off. Nothing like the windshield on my Gold Wing. But if it helps deflect some of that air up and over my helmet, over my chest area, that will help. Now to mount it, the windshield stuck out a little ways, a little bit further. So I actually had to take this box and I moved it forward, made me a clamp set up under the box, and moved the box forward so it would be enough room for the windshield to go there. It's not like it's going to be, you're only doing 45 or 50 on this bike anyway, so. Gotta help some. And I can definitely tell, it's definitely on my chest and that area, my neck, it's better. I mean, even on my face, it's better. You still get some coming into my face shield, no doubt, but it is better than it was for sure. I'm just hoping up there, around 45 or 50, it'll help with a lot of the wind drag, some of it. Get on this road here. This is a 45-mile-an-hour road here. So yeah, I definitely like the GPS mounted here a lot better. That's one good thing about it, is you don't just gain a windshield, you gain a place to mount something like your GPS, especially if you don't have this crossbar like I do, but I didn't have this. So if you didn't have this, that's really good. And it's a lot better location than down here. I also have my phone mount, which is my Peak Design. Check it out. Got my new phone case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Peak Design phone mount. I love this setup. It works so good. This is so much better than a quad lock. So I got camera mount on this side for my DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. I got my phone mount here, GPS mounted here. This is actually a dash cam. I have front and rear. It's a ThinkWare M1 dash cam, so it's front and rear. And it automatically just records as I'm riding. Loop recording all the time. So yes, definitely I can feel the difference already. Does it make the bike faster? Probably not. Is there less wind drag? Definitely less wind drag. You know, it is a small windshield, but just a little bit of something to deflect the air up. That air is hitting here now and it's coming up and right up kind of, I can feel it right here. Right there, I can feel it pushing. Yeah, so it's deflecting the air up right about the top of my helmet. Which my helmet will catch less air than my chest would, you know, but your chest is wider, so it's got to be a lot less wind drag. There, 53 mile an hour there. Feels good. I definitely think that it's holding the speed better with the less wind drag. You know, normally if you kind of get down low, you can kind of get rid of some of the wind drag. That's kind of what it's like. So definitely once you get up to speed, and the wind is actually head on into me right now, and I'm doing 50 right here pretty easily, so it's definitely making a difference at less wind drag. And like I said, in my opinion, it actually looks good on here. Oh yeah, I can maintain 50 on this road a lot better than I could. Speed limit on this road is 45. I don't want to go too fast because they definitely patrol this road. Yeah, so 50 and 51, 52 I was in there, and it definitely maintains that speed a lot better instead of losing power because of all the wind drag. I don't feel any wind hardly on my chest, nothing there in that area. A little bit up here under my helmet, but most of it, I can feel it coming up. Because most places, for me to get to 53, 55, I had to be going down a pretty good hill to go that fast. I'm doing it right here. There's 53, and I'm not even going downhill. 54. It's a little grade. And then once I get there, it maintains that speed a whole lot better. When I start going up a hill a little bit, it maintains the speed. It's dropping, but not nearly as much as it would before. I would have done drop down to 40s, low mid 40s, and now it's holding to 50 through here. It would never do that before. Definitely better. 53 through here, no problem. Yeah, that's pretty good. That makes a difference. And you can play with the angle of the windshield. You can loosen the clamps there and tilt it forward or backwards, whatever you like. See what works best for you. It depends on the type helmet makes a difference that you use. One with a visor like a dual sport helmet is not quite as good because it scoops the air, and also your height. So if you're a taller person or a shorter is going to be better for sure. I'm liking it. And it wasn't that expensive. It seemed like it was like 80 something dollars. Not bad. 80 bucks. All right, that's awesome. Actually, I'm more head on to the wind this way than I was the other way. I can feel it. Definitely ought to make a difference head on into the wind. Because if you ride a CT125, you know what I'm talking about. When you're going head on to the wind, this thing slows down. It makes a difference if I keep my head centered too. Keep my body centered on the bike. People still going to pass you. It's not like we're on a CBR. Not too bad. Okay, guys, there you go. That's the windshield on the Honda CT125, Trail 125. Actually, I'm impressed. It actually works pretty good. Now, it was a little less steep angle, so I actually tilted it a little more before I left the house because I just thought it looked like it was too much. But to do it's just an Allen screw right there. Loosen a couple Allen screws, tilt it forward. And like I said, I had to move this box a little further forward than what it was. It was mounted back here. I actually had made a bracket so I could clamp from here to here across where these bolts bolted into this. I made a straight bracket. Now it's just clamped onto the rack, but it's solid. It's not going nowhere. But looks good. There you guys go. I will post a link in the description where you can check one of these out, guys. This is actually a really good windshield for the Honda Trail 125. A lot better than the others that I've seen, for sure. Thank you all for watching Woodzman Adventures. God bless you all. Smash that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when I put out a new video, and we'll catch you all in the next adventure. Ride on.